Hello! Welcome to the third part of a video series describing the PHP Generator 16.9 new features. Among other things, this version allows you to compare multiple records and find the difference between their values with a few mouse clicks. This feature is very useful when a record has many attributes, for example, for comparing two or more phone models with each other. As we can see, each phone has a large number of attributes. Moreover, a significant part of these attributes has equal or close values for all phones. Let's choose a couple of phones for the comparison. After selecting the phones, a button appears at the top of the grid. Let's choose one more phone and look at this button again. It is the Selection Management button. It appears only when one or more records are selected on the page. Its caption displays the number of selected records. Let's click this button and choose Compare from the drop-down list. A comparison table opens. By default, only records with different values are displayed. Click the Show All button to display all of the records. The records with equal values are highlighted. You can create a header for the comparison table. You can also choose the columns that you want to use for the comparison. Let's change the comparison. Let's exclude the model name and photo columns from the comparison. Also, let's include the photo column in the comparison table header. Go to our project and open the phone page properties. Choose the Header Columns for Record Comparison option to define columns to be displayed in the header of the comparison table. Select the photo column in the list on the left of the window and move it to the right list and save the changes. Now open the phone page editor. Here we can choose columns to be included in the comparison. Exclude model name and photo columns from that list. Save the changes and regenerate the application. Let's see the results. As we can see, the model name column disappears from our comparison table, and the photo column is now displayed in the table header. Now, let's learn how to define our own function that compares the values of records using a custom algorithm that you provided. Note that the values of the height, length, and width columns are almost equal. Let's define the comparison function which will consider such values equal. Go back to our project and open the onCustomCompare column event editor. Insert a couple of lines of a very understandable code. Values of height, length, and width columns are considered equal if their difference is less or equal to 0.5. Let's save the changes, regenerate the application, and return back to the browser window. Height, length, and width records disappear from the difference list because of the values of these records are considered equal now. You can easily add new records to a comparison. Also, you can remove records from comparison with just a single mouse click. That's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like our video and to subscribe to our YouTube channel.